To start, we're going to fold the seat forward just a little bit to ease with the installation of the box. Installing the box can be done with a hardtop or soft top on, but we have found that it's easier if your Jeep is topless. When you're sliding in the box, make sure the feet slide behind the plastic trim, like so. Next, using the hooks attached to the straps that we give you, feed it through the hooks that are attached to your Jeep in the cargo area, and then hook it on our brackets. So there's one in the back on each side, and then there's one on the top. Then tighten the strap. So we'll do the same on the other side. Feed it through the hook, the bottom of your cargo area, and then feed it through the other, and then hook it onto the bracket in the back, and then hook it onto the bracket on the top. And then just tighten the strap. Fold the seat back and enjoy your new cargo storage box. For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.